The Sonos Arc Ultra isn't just a soundbar. It's a cinematic beast that promises room-shaking Dolby Atmos like you've never heard before. But is it really the ultimate upgrade? Or just hype with a heavy price tag? Let's find out. What makes the Sonos Arc Ultra so special? The Sonos Arc Ultra isn't just another soundbar. It's built to completely change the way you experience movies, music, and gaming at home. This isn't about just hearing sound, it's about feeling it wrap around you, pulling you right into the action. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe right now if you love discovering the best audio gear. Your support helps me keep bringing you honest reviews, real guidance, and insider tips that actually matter. Now, let's imagine this together. You dim the lights. You hit play. The Arc Ultra doesn't just fire sound at you. It places you inside the sound. The whispers move past your shoulder. The explosions shake your chest. And the rain? It feels like it's falling right in your room. That's the difference. And I want you to think about this as you watch the full video. Is this the soundbar that finally replaces your home theater? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me what you want me to review next. But here's the suspense. The Arc Ultra isn't just powerful. It has one hidden trick that sets it apart from every other Dolby Atmos soundbar in 2025. And trust me, you'll want to know it before you buy anything. Design that feels premium, the Sonos Arc Ultra doesn't scream for attention, it whispers luxury. Its sleek, minimal body is designed to blend seamlessly into any modern living room. Every curve and edge feels intentional, giving it a refined presence without being over the top. This isn't just a soundbar, it's a statement piece. Walk into a room and your eyes are immediately drawn to its slim profile tucked neatly under the TV. It doesn't dominate the space, it elevates it. The build quality is equally impressive. There's no cheap plastic here. Sonos has gone for durable, premium materials that feel solid to the touch. It looks as good powered off as it sounds when it's on. Another highlight is its versatility. Whether you wall mount it or place it on a console, the Arc Ultra adapts beautifully to your setup. No ugly wires, no unnecessary clutter, just pure elegance So here's a question for you. Would you prefer your sound system to stand out boldly or blend in like invisible luxury? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Setup that feels effortless. One of the biggest frustrations with home theater gear is the setup. Endless cables, confusing instructions, and hours wasted before you can even press play. But with the Sonos Arc Ultra, that headache is gone. The setup is refreshingly simple. Just plug it in, connect through the Sonos app, and in minutes, you're ready to experience cinematic sound. No complicated menus, no technical struggles. It's designed so anyone can do it without calling a tech expert. What makes it even better is how seamlessly it integrates with your ecosystem. Whether you're on iOS, Android, or using smart assistants like Alexa or Google, the Arc Ultra connects instantly and just works. And here's the best part. The app automatically tunes the sound to your room using TruePlay technology. That means no matter where you place it, you always get perfectly balanced audio tailored to your space. So, instead of wasting hours on setup, you're enjoying your favorite movie or playlist almost instantly. It's effortless, it's fast, and it feels like the future of home audio. Dolby Atmos that redefines immersion. Dolby Atmos has become the gold standard in home theater sound, but not every soundbar delivers it the way it's meant to be heard. With the Sonos Arc Ultra, you don't just hear Atmos, you feel it. The sound doesn't stay locked to your screen. Instead, it expands outward, upward, and all around you. Imagine watching a film where helicopters fly above, raindrops fall around you, and voices whisper right behind your shoulder. That's the kind of immersion you get. This isn't just surround sound. It's three-dimensional audio that transforms your living room into a cinema. And because Sonos uses upward-firing speakers, you get real height effects without needing to install ceiling speakers. Whether you're gaming, streaming Netflix, or watching a blockbuster, the Arc Ultra makes every moment more dramatic and lifelike. It doesn't just fill the room with sound. It places you at the center of the action. This is Atmos done right, and once you experience it, going back to a regular soundbar feels impossible. ***, smart features that make life easier. A soundbar shouldn't just sound good. it should also make your life easier. That's exactly what the Sonos Arc Ultra does. It's not just a sound system. It's a smart hub built for the modern home. With built-in voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control your music, adjust the volume, or even check the weather, all without lifting a finger. Want to switch from movie night to your favorite playlist? Just say the word, and it happens instantly. It also integrates seamlessly with Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and the Sonos app, giving you endless options for streaming music from your phone or favorite platforms. And if you're into smart homes, it fits right into your ecosystem, syncing with your devices effortlessly. The real beauty is how simple it all feels. No complicated setup, no endless remotes. Just pure convenience that makes your entertainment experience smooth and stress-free. In short, it's not just smart. It's smarter than most soundbars on the market. *** sleek design that blends in. When you first look at the Sonos Arc Ultra, one thing is clear: it's designed to impress. Sleek, minimal, and beautifully crafted, this soundbar doesn't just sit in your living room. It elevates it. Its slim profile means it can fit seamlessly under your TV or mount elegantly on the wall. Unlike bulky speakers that stick out and ruin the vibe, the Arc Ultra blends in like a natural part of your decor. The premium build, curved edges, and clean finish make it look as stunning as it sounds. It's the kind of design that makes guests stop and say, "Wow, what sound system is that?" Sonos clearly knew that great sound should come with great style. And the Arc Ultra delivers both in a package that feels modern, premium, and timeless. *** easy. Setup and control. Let's be honest, no one likes complicated setups. And that's where the Sonos Arc Ultra shines. With just a single HDMI eARC connection, you're ready to roll. Plug it in, sync it up, and boom, you're surrounded by sound in minutes. But setup is only half the story. The real magic is in the control. Whether you prefer the Sonos app, your TV remote, or even your voice through Alexa and Google Assistant, the Arc Ultra gives you complete freedom. It's smooth, intuitive, and designed for everyone. No confusing buttons, no endless menus, just effortless control at your fingertips. With Sonos, it feels less like tech and more like magic. *** multi-room audio power. Now, imagine this. You're watching a movie in the living room, and the action follows you into the kitchen, the bedroom, or even the backyard. That's the beauty of the Sonos Arc Ultra's multi-room audio. With just a few taps in the Sonos app, you can link the Arc Ultra with other Sonos speakers around your home. Play the same song everywhere for that party vibe, or choose different tracks in different rooms so everyone gets their own groove. It's seamless, wireless, and built for the modern lifestyle. No messy cables, no complicated syncing, just pure, effortless sound across your entire home. The Sonos Arc Ultra doesn't just fill one room. It fills your world. *** gaming with the Arc Ultra. Gamers, this is where things get seriously exciting. The Sonos Arc Ultra isn't just a home theater beast, it's a gaming weapon. With HDMI eARC and Dolby Atmos support, every footstep, gunshot, and explosion comes alive with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine sneaking through a dark map, and you hear an enemy creeping up behind you. Not just as sound, but as direction. The Arc Ultra's 3D sound mapping lets you react faster, stay more alert, and feel completely immersed in the game world. And with ultra-low latency pass-through, there's no lag, no delay, just smooth, instant audio that keeps up with the action. Whether you're on PlayStation, Xbox, or PC, the Arc Ultra transforms your setup into a next-gen battleground. This isn't casual gaming. This is full-scale immersion. *** easy setup and control. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest headaches. With premium audio systems, setup. Usually, it's a nightmare of tangled wires, confusing menus, and hours of frustration. But with the Sonos Arc Ultra, it's the exact opposite. From the moment you unbox it, the setup feels effortless. Simply connect it through HDMI eARC, plug it in, and the Sonos app takes care of the rest. In just a few minutes, you're ready to experience cinematic audio without needing an engineering degree. Control is equally smooth. You can use the Sonos app, voice assistants like Alexa or Google, or even your TV remote. Want to adjust sound modes? One tap. Want to stream music directly from Spotify or Apple Music? Done in seconds. The Arc Ultra is designed to disappear into your living room setup, giving you power without complexity. Expandability and future-proofing. Here's the beauty of the Sonos ecosystem. It grows with you. The Arc Ultra isn't just a standalone soundbar. It's the heart of a complete home theater system. You can start with just the bar, then later add a Sonos sub for deep, room-shaking bass, or pair wireless rears like the Sonos Era 300s for full Dolby Atmos surround. And because it's Sonos, you're not just buying today's tech, you're investing in tomorrow. Sonos is known for long-term updates, which means your soundbar will keep getting smarter and more capable with time. Unlike many brands that go obsolete in a few years, Sonos products stay relevant for the long haul. Whether you want a simple, minimalist setup today or a full-blown cinematic surround system tomorrow, the Arc Ultra is future-proof and ready for anything. So, there you have it, the Sonos Arc Ultra. A soundbar that delivers breathtaking Dolby Atmos, seamless smart home integration, and design that feels premium in every sense. But at the end of the day, the real question is it worth your money? If you're looking for uncompromising sound, wireless freedom, and a true cinema-like experience at home, the Arc Ultra may just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. But now, I want to hear from you. Would you spend on the Sonos Arc Ultra? Or do you think other brands give better value for the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest in soundbars, receivers, and home theater gear. This is Interface Craft, and I'll see you in the next one.